Okay, today there's week 20, Monday, and there were quite a few different skills today. So I want to make sure that we're all on the same page with how to do these, and you can have this at home if you would like to use it as a resource. Anyway, starting in the number sense, we've got, this is actually 8 over 10, or 8/10 as a fraction. And when doing that as a decimal, basically it's read as a tenth. So we know that decimal 8 is 8/10. And then percent-wise, we know that the line here refers to division. So technically, it's 8 divided by 10. So you would do 8 divided by 10. And we know that if we add zeros to the end, we add a decimal point. It goes straight up. 10 goes into 80 8 times. 8 times 10 is 80. And we do a little subtraction here. 0, bring it down, 0. 80%. Easy enough. Okay, next I'm going to go over here to computation and subtraction of decimals, or of a fraction. And we start with the smallest numerator, which is 4. Looking at 12 and 4, I know in my head that 12 is going to be my lowest common denominator, but I'll go ahead and count it out multiple-wise. 4, 8, 12. I can now stop. And then we've got 3, 6, and 9. We then take 11 minus 9 is 2, and that's all over 12, like so. 2 and 12 share a factor of 2, so it can be reduced. 2 goes into 2 1 time, and into 12 6 times. Division, we've got 11,045 divided by 16. I'm going to go over here and write this problem down. 11,045 divided by 16. 16 goes into 1 0 times, 11 0 times, 110. It goes 6 times. That goes above the 0. 16 times 6 is 6, 3, it's 96. Bring that down. And now we are subtracting. 10, 14. Bring that 4 down here. So 144. 16 into 144 goes 9 times. That goes up here. 16 times 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Carry my 5. And 9 times 1 is 9, times 5 is 14. As we can see there, it's even. So 144, that's 0. 5 comes down, like so. 16 goes into 5 0 times. 0 times 16 is 0. Our last subtraction, we have a remainder of 5 over 16. So our answer is 690. Remainder 5 over 16. Double check 5/16 to see if that's lowest terms. They do not share any factors other than a 1, so we're good. Algebra functions, we've got y minus 288 equals 554. When you subtract and your first number is a variable, you must add the 2 remaining numbers. So we've got 554 plus 288. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry my 1. 8 and 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. Carry, and that's 8. 842. The second one here is a little bit different. We've got a decimal with a unknown variable, which was our x, is 4 3/10. So we take 4 3/10 and we times that by 3. That's 9, 12. 1 decimal spot, so we've got 12.9. Now we've got 774 minus 12.9. And here's where the mistake might be made. You have to make sure that you've got your decimals lined up. Subtract 3, regroup. It's 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. There we have it. 761 and 1/10. Alright, moving down now. Go ahead and switch this to the mouse view. And of course, eliminated everything there, which is not what I wanted to do, but okay. Geometry, diameter is real simple. It's from left to right all the way through, so they give you the diameter is 14 inches. Radius is half. So half of 14 is 7. inches. Don't overcomplicate that. It's really that simple. Area of a rhombus, we've got base times height, so we've got 22 times 23, 23 times 22, 3 times 2, 6, 4, drop down, 0, 2 times 3 is 6, and 4, add those up, 6, 10, 5, 506 inches squared for my area. And then for perimeter, it's 28 plus 22 plus 28 plus 22, and to save time here, that equals 100 inches. Do not worry about the height when you worry about perimeter. And then mean and median. Mean, you add them all up. Okay, you get 361. You divide that by the number of points you have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 736 5 times. Subtract 11, 1, 7, remainder 4, 7. So 51 and 4 over 7. And then our median, actually take the numbers right here and you order them from least to greatest. That's the key. And then you find the middle number. So we've got 16, 21. And I like to go ahead and mark out the numbers after I use them so I know. 33, gone. Looks like 50, 52, boom, boom, 88, 101. And now we cross them off to find the middle, left to right, left, right, left, right. There it is, 50. That's our median. And then in grams to kilograms, we know that there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, so take 4 times 1,000 for a total of 4,000 grams. That's it. That's morning work for Monday. Hopefully this helps you out, and you'll use this as a great resource.